Kevin and I had been to an event where a director actually spoke to the fact that there are many states that have the film credit. There are many. The reason that people continue to come back to Pennsylvania is because it works so well. It's a pleasure for them to not only bring their film here, but to have such a great experience that they want to come back and want to continue to do business with TAG and continue to do business with the other, small businesses that are really being impacted by this is huge.
I'm the purchaser here, so I'm procuring product quickly. The salesperson who handles the transaction, the drivers, the dispatchers, everybody, rises to the occasion. In the film industry, are quick to tell their friends. So all of a sudden, we first started dealing with just the carpenters. Now we're dealing with the electricians and everybody else.
We've had a steady flow of either, whether it be movie, TV production, in-house every month within the last year, since June of 2011. At some points it could be 20-30% of our building, but it provides us a very nice base throughout the year of constant business flow. We saw the first 6 months of 2011 that there was very little, if any, production business in Philadelphia, and we felt that. Since the tax credits have been opened, these last 12 months have been very strong for our business model, particularly in that production business.
Basically we started, we're also, Expressway Productions was how we started. We're also a production company, and we have done a ton of jobs in Philadelphia over the last 6 years or so. And for 4 out of those 6 years, every time we needed a roll of gel or tape or equipment or anything production wise, and to get it for a reasonable price, you had to go all the way to New York, or at the very least an hour outside of the city. And that was just annoying, and we were spending so much money out of our city that it just made sense to us. We were like, well, why don't we just bring those services here? Really, there's not really two ways about it. There either is work or there's not, and there's no way to sustain this industry in this region without the tax incentive.